What's up, dudes? This is the Lockpicking Lebowski. This is my entry into the Tri-lock-athon first leg. I'm using a best 7-pin. I hope that's acceptable. I realize it makes things even harder, but I really don't have an acceptable 5 or 6-pin lock. I probably have like a master lock 5-pin, but it'd be so pathetically easy that it's ridiculous. So I know this puts me at a disadvantage, but I hope it's still acceptable. So here goes. I think I've overset something. Bingo. Alright, 42 seconds. I'll take it. Thanks a lot.